software is really becoming a big part of the equation now. I mean, just having the best machine is good, but if you don't have good software to go with it, you're really not getting the full use out of that piece of equipment. So one of the things I saw for Amada was the latest version of their software was so much ahead of what I was using at the time. I looked at about 4 competitors at the time in the software end of it. It was superior to what they had. So here I had this great machine now coupled with this new software, and it was a perfect fit here. Very happy with what happened. Hi, my name is Mccarthy. I'm president of Metco Inc. here in New Holstein, Wisconsin. So the company started in 1971. My father purchased the business. It was a very small job shop at the time. I came with them in 1978, have been here ever since, so it's almost 40 years. Early on, I hooked up with Amada. I just saw them as a leader in the industry. You know, we started with the turrets, then we added the lasers. Now we've added the press brakes. We have 2 robots here for welding, so we've embraced that quite a while ago. That was our first really endeavor into doing programming offline of some type of a 3D operation. My son is more on the admin side and sales side, and my son-in-law is more the hands-on production type person. So I think a good match here going forward for them to grow the business beyond where I left it for them.
My name is Patrick Mccarthy. I'm the business manager here at Metco Incorporated. The software from Amada has been key to our growth as an organization. The software allows us to produce parts better, faster, and overall more accurately. The usability of the software is much easier for an operator to pick up, learn, and hit the ground running faster than it was, again, with other previous softwares that have been out there. The future of the business is certainly in technology.
My name's Tim Ellenbeck. I'm from Metco Incorporated. I do the programming here for most of our machines, our Amada lasers, our brakes, our turret punches, now our new ARS system. When we brought in the 3i software, it was more intuitive. I'm very familiar with CAD and SolidWorks. It could bring that in. All the bends, all the radiuses, bend deductions, all come straight into the 3i software. I don't have to adjust anything. The 3i software does a very good job of putting the back gauges in the correct spot. Machine functions such as retracting the back gauges, you know, any back gauge function that it wants to do. The production designer reduces setup and it reduces downtime at the machine. It's a very simple process.
My name is Eric Berger. My title here currently is Asset Utilization Manager. My background comes from engineering and manufacturing, while Patrick has a business background, so the two of us kind of mold real well together and create a good team, I think, going forward. We really couldn't ask for a better partner from equipment manufacturer than we've had with Amada.
We love Amada. Amada is a tremendous partner in this dynamic environment that we are in. The speed of technology is moving at such a pace that it is critical to have a partner in that environment.